Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have MDT daily update, the Coinbase effect right there. We are going to see the next targets, and of course before we continue, do not forget to join the monthly subscription. Link in the description box and in the comment section. Patreon/Mind Your Crypto. You can get easy profits there for 200 altcoins. You will know exactly when to buy and exactly when to sell them. You will also get personal guidance, a manual system with over 90% win ratio, educational videos, become expert in the technical analysis, and hold your future in your hands, market updates, and many more benefits. So thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Let's proceed quickly into a non-biased technical analysis. Now you can see actually that we had a very major swing high around these days, as we talked about the Coinbase effect right there. Okay, but what I want to do is simply I will draw a very simple Fibonacci retracement from this top we had back around the 10 April 2021. Okay, I am just getting a little bit hard to just use the magnet. Here we go, and to this bottom we formed back on 20 July. You can see that we are on the last resistance level, the 0.786 Fibonacci retracement, the 11.6 cents, 0.11656. Okay, it is a very strong resistance level. Actually, this whole area right here, I will just remove the magnet from this top to this bottom, is a very strong resistance level, and you should be careful, because what we have made here, what is possibly actually to make, it is a bearish RSI divergence. Lower highs in the price in the RSI, higher highs in the price. Okay, eventually we can go right now to tell you what we are having as support levels. Okay, I want to be honest with you, I do not want to mess around with your money. So the next support levels can be around the 0.5, which will be around the 0.09 cents, and eventually can be around the 0.098, in which probably the 20-day MA will reach this price right here, and eventually we might be finding a little bit of a support level. But you need to be careful. Okay, you need to be careful because we might get further down, and you want to avoid losing some money. On the 4-hour frame we have probably the same bearish RSI divergence. On the daily frame we have a very high risk. Okay, so right now what are we going to do is that we are going to focus on these two targets right there. But what if it doesn't get there? Okay, what if it breaks above? Then I think that you should be following this pattern right there that we will have. Okay, we should be going further down again and remove the drawings, draw our Fibonacci retracement from the top to the bottom as we did back. There we go. And if we close above this target right there, okay, if we close above this resistance level, that means if we break above, then we can go to the next price target, which can be even the 17 cents. Okay, 0.17. But we have to be careful right here. Where we are right now is a very strong resistance level, and as we saw on the 4-hour frame, we have a bearish, possibly actually bearish RSI divergence formed right there. Okay, so I want you to be careful. We might be dropping further down. On the daily frame we have a very high risk due to the fact that we have the RSI in an overbought. We have also the stochastic RSI going into an overbought situation. On the weekly frame we have a very high risk as well right here. Okay, but eventually MDT on the weekly, if we have a nice weekly close, okay, and we do not have more sell pressure right here, we maybe even be able to get into an impulsive wave mode and therefore go even to 17 cents. But first, what we have to do is on the short term to break and close above the 12.3 cents around there. Okay, if we can manage to do that, then we can go even higher. At the time being though, I want you to be very careful. Okay, on the short term. However, if we break above and close above the 12.3, then yes, we can explode and we can go even higher, because on the weekly frame you will see the pattern going on right here. If we get another bullish weekly, then we might be able to move, or we might have also a double top pattern. Okay, and you should always know that it is not necessary that we break above. You need to be careful right now. Pay attention to the support levels that we had before. Okay, I will redraw the Fibonacci so we can see them together. All right, so we have the 0.098 around there and the 0.09. Okay, so these are the targets for this short term. Eventually, if we have a sell pressure, we are going to get there. Pay attention to those targets if you want me to. I can daily update this coin. And of course, thank you for watching. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription, link in the description box and in the comment section. Patreon/MindYourCrypto. Thank you. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.